Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your college fund with Sallie Mae easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Sallie Mae website by typing the URL into your browser. Look for the option that says college fund or savings plans. Click on that option to learn more about their offerings. Review the types of college savings accounts they provide. Consider the 529 college savings plan if you want tax advantages. Explore the features and benefits of each savings option. Decide which plan aligns best with your financial goals. Gather necessary information, such as your financial details and the account holder's information. Click on the Open an Account or Get Started button for your chosen plan. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. Be prepared to provide identification documents if required. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Finalize your application by submitting it through the website. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your account setup. Log into your new account to explore additional features. Set up automated contributions to grow your college fund. Monitor your account regularly to ensure it meets your savings goals. Keep track of your investment performance over time. Stay informed about any changes to college savings plans or policies. Feel confident knowing you're taking important steps to secure your college fund. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.